loves. It's Sam.
Phoenix.
Lily.
What are you doing?
Picking my chin.
Do you have beans on there?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Did you get a wipe?
Yeah.
We'll go get her a wipe.
I do.
You're a crazy lady. So today we are very excited and the kids have been dying to film this. They're super excited. We have a variety fun box. Here, sit up, buddy. So if you guys have never heard of variety fun box, it's basically a box that has snacks. And there's different options. So you can either do the fun box, which consists of, like, let's face it, delicious naughty snacks like Doritos, Skittles,
And cookies.
like that kind of stuff.
Focus.
Focus. Are you trying to show the picture?
Yeah.
Teddy Grahams.
Cookies.
Not your typical healthy snacks. Or you can do the fit box, I believe is what it's called. Let's see, we have the fun box and the fit box. And that one has snacks that are like a little healthier, like Kind bars.
Oh, boring.
Hippeas, Boom Chicka Pop, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So the box that we got has 15 snacks and it is $24.99. We also have one that has 30 snacks, that's $39.99. And then the classic snacks for the fun box, which is like
I won't go.
the yummies.
I won't go.
You get 40 classic snacks and that's $24.99, and then the 25 classic snacks is $19.99. So obviously the healthier boxes are more expensive. Isn't that just life? Isn't that the way it goes? You try to buy organic fruit and veggies, price goes way up. Also, you can do this bi-weekly or you can do it monthly. So you kind of have a little bit of
A choice.
yeah, good job. A choice
choice.
of whether or not you want it a little bit more often or not. So we're just gonna open this box up. We are so excited. So inside, whoa, look at all these snacks. There's so many. We're so excited. Oh, your favorites. We have Veggie Straws. These are the kids' favorites. They take these to school, right? We love Veggie Straws. So that's the first one. Next we have, what is this? Pop Chips. Zesty Jalapeno Cheddar. Whoa. Is that something you think
I'm
you'd
still
like?
gonna try that out.
Mommy,
Yes.
yummy one.
Well, you don't know that. We haven't got all the way to the bottom.
Yeah, exactly like this.
Wait a minute. We have a cookie. Can you tell who's the sweet tooth in the family? So this is the Quest Protein Cookie, chocolate chip flavored.
And that's mine.
This is the Benitos Hint of Lime White Bean Chips. So those would be nice with some salsa.
I'm gonna eat the cookie.
Then we, oh, you like these, don't you? Get in, you're not even in the video. So then we have the Stroopwafel. This is caramel. These are so good. Oh my goodness, you guys. I think I had these on a plane once when I went to Canada. And they were so yummy. Hey, don't snatch. So, are you gonna say, is this you're claiming that one?
Yeah, but we're still tasting each other's.
Oh, we're gonna taste all of them?
Oh,
I feel like we should save these. There's so many good snacks to save for school.
I want the cookie for school.
Then we have the crunchy peanut butter Clif bar. I actually used to eat these all the time when me and Jay used to go. He would snowboard and I would ski, and we always took Clif bars. What is that one?
Love.
This is the ripe black pitted olives. I don't like olives. Do you like olives?
You.
No, none of us really like olives, so we'll save those for Daddy.
Mommy,
This is
no.
a Vienna chickpea.
Vienna chickpea snacks honey roasted. Ooh, I bet those are yummy. What do you got there? Oh, a Kind bar.
Fuji Apples.
So this one is the Kind Plus dark chocolate cherry cashew. I've had this one before. These ones are really yummy.
Oh,
What else do we have? Fuji apple crunch dried snacks. Oh, these are little apples. Those are yummy.
This is
Oh, here, we got to keep all of these out so that we can see the ones we've already done. Then we have the Dang coconut chips. These are amazing. We've had these before, you guys. Oh my goodness. Dang coconut chips are dang good. They're like
I like the bunny. I like the
oh yeah, you like those. See, those are a good snack. I don't think we should test taste these, guys, because so many of them we already know we love. And these are so good for school snacks, right? Maybe we can each pick one that we can have to eat. Wait, don't put them back. We're still going.
Oh yeah, sorry.
We're still going. Okay, then we have the Skinny Pop popcorn. This is 100 calories per bag. I'm pretty sure I've tried Skinny Pop popcorn before. What's this one? Then we have the Nature's Bandits Apple Veggie Fruit Sticks. Oh, look how cute. It's got a little raccoon on it. He found a chip, a random chip. Would you like those or like little apple sticks? They're
Mommy.
kind of like,
if you want one.
oh, thanks. That's these ones. Those are yummy. They taste like lime.
This
Yeah.
spicy.
Then we have Popcorners sweet and salty kettle corn.
Mmm.
Yum.
Good.
What is this one?
Boom.
Boom Chicka Pop sea salt popcorn. Daddy loves Boom Chicka Pop, doesn't he?
Dog treat.
Dog treat.
That's not a dog treat. Oh, Phoenix, you like these, don't you?
What are they?
It's a grass-fed beef stick, chomps. You know, like a Slim Jim?
Ooh.
He likes Slim Jims.
Wait,
Okay.
what is this Slim Jim?
You know when you had that with Daddy and you bite it and it's like kind of meat, like a meat stick? Then we have the RX bar, peanut butter chocolate.
Oh,
Those are
I get it. The GFB BFG.
Oh, get it? Dark
And the big
chocolate
fun
coconut.
giant.
The gluten-free bar. It's nice because there's a lot of options in here for
Squishy.
Jay if you are gluten-free. They have a lot of good options.
And squishy.
Oh! Smart Sweets Gummy Bears.
I want squishy.
See, these are so many good snacks for you guys. For
I want
school.
that for school.
Well, we can split it. Then we have the Popcorners Flourish Veggie Crisps. These are greens and beans with yellow corn, green peas, and yellow peas.
Mommy face.
Mine.
No, don't do that. Oh, Mrs. Thinster's Cookie Thins Vanilla.
Raspberry.
Then we have the Nature's Bakery Fig Bar Raspberry. Oh my god, that looks so good. I love Fig Newtons.
4.
Organic Chickpea Puffs Hippeas Vegan White Cheddar. Yum. An IQ bar. This is lemon blueberry. That looks
This
yummy.
I don't need to taste. It's potato chips.
Oh, okay. Kettle brand potato chips. These are backyard barbecue. Daddy likes that flavor, doesn't he? And then
Too
what
many
else?
snacks.
Then we got the Sahali Snacks Raspberry Crumble. Oh, yum. It's like some nuts, cashew trail mix. And then we got the Protein Crisps Brick Oven Pizza. So this box that I just showed you, that is the one for $39.99, which equals to be $1.33 per snack. And then the smaller box would give you 15 snacks, and that is
Which one's
$24.99.
your favorite?
So, oh my god, that's a ton of snacks. I mean, there's like seriously so many snacks for school in here.
Because you can only pick one.
Okay, which one are you going to test?
I want to test hers too.
Well, we're all going to test each other's. So just pick one that you want to test. Okay, so you're testing your Stroopwafel.
What do you test?
Okay, you want to taste those?
Yeah.
What am I going to test?
A cookie.
What?
I don't know. I kind of feel like I want to test those little Fig Newtons. I want to try the Fig Newton bar. So
Same
let's
one to
test
me.
yours first.
Yes!
Yay.
Okay, so first we're going to test the
Smart
Smart
Sweets.
Sweets Gummy Bears. These are sour. Are you guys ready?
Yeah. Ooh, maybe this is healthy.
Could be. No.
3 grams of sugar.
Oh, not too bad.
3 grams of protein. Are they sour?
Oh, they're sour.
Yummy. Yummy.
Wow, those are sour.
They're yummy if you're a kid.
I'm making my eye close. Those are sour, all right.
Yeah.
They're yummy.
Okay,
They're amazing.
so they like them. They're a little sour for me.
No, they're not.
Okay, next we're gonna try the Nature's Bakery Fig Bar in a raspberry. I love a fig bar.
And
Perfect. You get 2 little fig bars inside.
we try. Yummy.
You like that?
Let me try.
Mhm.
Good fig bar.
Oh,
Don't give me another bite.
okay. That one's really yummy. Okay, your turn, Feeny.
Oh.
Okay, here, let's break it off into, oh, it's,
Waffles.
okay. Here you go.
Mmm.
You can have the bigger piece.
Yummy.
That's some good.
Do you like that one?
Mm.
But I like the gummies better.
Your favorite is the gummies?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
All of them.
My favorite was the fig bar. This is really good too.
Mine was all the ones we tasted.
Winning, right?
Mm.
We're just gonna go ahead. You're not even in the video.
Oh, I am not.
Oh my god, that was good. With a cup of tea.
Yeah.
That'd be so good, right? A little pick-me-upper. Cup of tea and a
Let's
Stroopwafel.
have a picnic with all these.
Man, we have so many snacks for school now.
I'm gonna eat them all.
Yeah, so this works out to be a really good deal if you know, are looking for snacks for the kids for school. There's a lot of snacks in here that I think that they would really like. Like, there was a lot here that you guys would take in your lunchbox, right? A lot of good options, stuff that we've never tried before that sounds quite yummy.
I put the gummies and the cookie and the veggie straws and everything.
You would? Yeah, there's a lot of good snacks in here. So again, if you want to have the regular snacks, the classic snacks like Lay's, Doritos, Skittles, that kind of stuff, then you can do that. That's a little bit cheaper. And then if you are someone who's looking for like healthier snack options or maybe gluten-free options, stuff like that, then this is the Fit Box, and that's a little bit more expensive, but you know, like I said, everything that is healthier for us is always more expensive. We're not opening any more snacks.
I need to tell them something.
Okay, you go ahead.
If you're wondering, these are kind of healthy.
Yeah, they are on the Annie's.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
These
yummy.
are kind of good.
Yeah, these are all really, they're all pretty good for us, right? So, what would you guys say about this box? What would you tell your friends about it?
Yeah, there's a cookie that I love.
There's a cookie that you love?
And the gummy.
And the gummies that you love. Would you recommend this to your friends?
Yeah.
So like if you were talking to your friends at school and they're like, have you ever tried Variety Fun? What would you say?
Maybe.
I say it's a good recommendation, the Fit Box.
You would recommend the Fit Box? But they're really going to town on these gummy bears.
They're yummy.
I thought you were
God.
saving them for school.
No thanks.
You guys are crazy.
Yeah.
They love them. Okay, so I'm gonna give this box a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Bambi.
Okay guys, there is our first unboxing and taste test and review of the Variety Fun Box. If these kids could just sit and eat their whole life, they would, I swear. We spend so much money on food. She's just looking at all the snacks in the classic box.
I want goldfish.
You do?
And Oreos and Chippies and let's see.
Oh yeah, they have,
M&M
they have
cookies.
Chips Ahoy, they have M&M's, Sun Chips. They've
Well,
got all sorts of stuff.
Nobody's really gonna eat.
What do you
For me.
mean? Daddy would love that.
Oh, I wouldn't.
Pop chips?
This is sour
You like
head.
these? You want to take those for
sour
school?
head.
Yeah.
Is
There's
it-
so many snacks for you guys to take. Oh wait, we missed this one. I didn't see this one. This is a Squeaky Pops Popped Chippy Chips.
Ooh.
Those are cute. Wait, I didn't see these either. What did you guys? You guys were taking stuff out without me knowing. This is the enlightened Bada Bean Bada Boom. Get it? Bada Bean Bada Boom.
Bottom.
Sea salt crunchy broad beans. You sneaky little monkeys. No, I think we got all of them now. What I like about these kind of boxes is that they give you snacks that you don't see sometimes in your stores or you've never heard of before. Like I've never seen Squeaky Pops, have you? I don't think I've ever seen Bonitos. Oh, another chip fell out.
Well, they're not.
Oh dear. So yeah, it's kind of fun. The Nature's Bakery Fig Bar.
I
No,
wouldn't.
Now I'm
I've
gonna look for
never
those because those are good.
I've never,
What have you
ever,
never seen?
ever,
I haven't
ever.
seen these.
You've never seen those? I've seen those at Target. We've never seen these at Target.
Nope.
I've really never, ever seen these. in
Yeah,
here.
we haven't seen those either. have we?
Oink.
Yep, you haven't seen those. Yeah, we definitely haven't seen those before. So yeah, lots of good snacks that are new to us that we can try out, that we can send to lunch. Their cheapest box is $19.99. That's for a classic box. They offer free shipping with no commitment. I think that's everything you need to know. Yeah, it is. That's everything you need to know.
Wait.
And it's just varietyfun.com.
Look at that.
I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys so you guys can go ahead and check it out and see what snack boxes would be perfect for you. Do you want to show that? We showed this one,
Is
the
it?
little bear. Yeah,
Oh, it's a little bit.
he's cute. Also, I noticed on the website they have an office box, which gives you, I think it was like 140 snacks. So if you're just, you know, trying to be super nice to your employees, that would be a great option too. Okay guys, so there is our video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you guys enjoyed, and hopefully you guys, if you haven't tried Variety Fun already, you will definitely go and check it out. I'm gonna say this was a big thumbs up for me. How about you?
Yeah, but you gotta try the gummies.
You gotta try the gummies. Phoenix, thumbs up?
10 and then more 10s and then 10 more 10s.
Each one is equal 10.
That's so many 10s.
Yeah. These, we did try these before this video, but these are really good and like a little salty, but they have veggies and like ones are potatoes and tomatoes and then lettuce.
Yeah, we love these.
It's very yummy.
Yeah, we get these all the
If you
time.
don't like potatoes, they don't really taste like potatoes.
Yeah, she's not a fan of potatoes, but she is a fan of these. Thank you so much for watching. We are gonna go now. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. Give us a thumbs up if you love snacks.
Oh, I love
Right?
snacks.
Do you love snacks?
Yeah.
Yes, we all love snacks.
Everybody loves snacks.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Mommy, say bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Can we do some of our favorites and things that we might try? Give me the cookie shell.
Okay,
Because I like cookies.
ready?
Yeah.